You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce these words? So this is the French way of saying Bolognese. The Italians would say Bolognese, like spaghetti Bolognese, meaning that it comes from the city of Bologna. Now that's the French spelling and the French way of saying it. Bolognaise is how we say it in French, okay, which does correspond to how it's said in English, Bolognaise. Bolognaise, yes, because surprisingly, where Bolognese, the recipe name went to English through France, so English way of saying it sounds more like the French way of saying it rather than the Italian. Bolognaise is how we say Bolognese in French, Bolognese in English. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.